Hello everyone, this is Deepika and today I'll be sharing a very important tip that can generate more sales for your new course faster. One way is whenever you are creating a course, try to connect with other instructors out there which are already have courses on that particular topic or related topic. For example, let's say you are interested to teach about photography. I'm just giving an example. So go ahead and see what other photography courses are out there which are either best-selling, and try to reach out to those instructors and see if they are willing to collaborate with you, and in return you are going to give a revenue share of your course. The most important thing is your course should offer something even valuable to their audience. Okay, so that's the important point. Don't teach the same thing what his course or her course is already teaching, because students are not going to like that, because that's already covered in that course that they're already enrolled in. So try to cover something that is unique and offer to that instructor that, hey, this is something that will definitely your students are going to love about it. Why don't you become a co-instructor on this course? Let's create some videos together and let's create this course and sell it to your audience. This way you will be able to grab his audience, share the revenue of your course with him. Since let's say if your course was taking 2 weeks to create because you were creating all the videos by yourself, now you have another instructor on the board and he will do half the work for you. So now he will also save time, and now he will have the same course, a brand new course, in half the time. So most probably he'll agree on, but there are instructors who might not want to do any of that. So it's okay. It's okay. I'm not saying every instructor that you're going to reach out is going to say, yes, let's do it. There might be an instructor who will be agreeing to create a course with you. So it's worth a shot. So go ahead and try to connect with other instructors, try to collaborate with them. Don't hesitate to do the revenue share at a 50-50 model at first so that you can have that audience, and then you can do on your own later on. But at least initially you can get that jump on your sales right off the bat. So the lesson for you is, do reach out to other instructors and try to collaborate and try to create courses with them. I hope this tip is going to help you, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.